Welcome back to TNA Auto Reviews, where unique automobiles and unforgettable ideas from every era find their voice. Today, we're exploring one of the most unconventional and creative cars ever produced, the charming, practical, and brilliantly simple Citroën Ami. The Citroën Ami was never meant to be fast, luxurious, or powerful. It was designed to solve a problem: how to move people easily, affordably, and efficiently in crowded cities. True to Citroën's innovative spirit, the Ami challenged traditional car design and replaced it with clever thinking. Its compact shape, minimal footprint, and friendly appearance made it feel more like a smart mobility solution than a conventional automobile. From the outside, the Ami immediately stands out. Its symmetrical design, boxy proportions, and short overhangs give it a playful and approachable look. The doors are identical on both sides, with one opening forward and the other backward, a cost-saving and space-efficient solution that perfectly reflects Citroën's creativity. The tall roof and wide windows improve visibility and make the cabin feel open and airy, despite the car's tiny size. Inside, the Citroën Ami focuses on pure functionality. There's no unnecessary decoration, everything serves a purpose. The seating is simple, the controls are minimal, and the layout is designed to be intuitive even for first-time drivers. What it lacks in luxury, it makes up for in clever space usage and comfort for short urban journeys. It's a car built for everyday life, not for showing off. The Ami's true strength lies in its role as a city companion. Easy to park, easy to drive, and extremely efficient, it represents the future of urban mobility. With electric power and a focus on sustainability, the Ami proves that innovation doesn't always mean complexity. Sometimes, it means doing more with less. At TNA Auto Reviews, we admire the Citroën Ami for its honesty and originality. It breaks the rules, challenges expectations, and reminds us that cars don't need to be big or powerful to be meaningful. In a world of excess, the Ami stands as a refreshing example of simplicity done right. Thanks for watching TNA Auto Reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unique vehicles and the stories that make them special.